Okay. Hi everyone. We are live here now. So, hi everyone. My name is Sanjeev, and I'm the owner of this Facebook page. And today we got a very special guest with us, Sasha from Canada and Montreal, Canada, right? So, and she's one of my students, and I'm very really excited to be interviewing her today, and she'll actually share her journey, her success, what is she doing now, and all that good stuff. So, Sasha, why don't you introduce yourself?
Hi, my name is Sasha. I'm in Canada, Montreal, and I that's all I can say. And I am very excited to be a part of this program with Sanjeev.
Yep.
Oh my gosh, the journey is just fabulous.
Yeah.
Okay,
This is.
and thank you for being here with us.
Yep.
Thank you.
Yeah, so it's always exciting. So tell a bit about like what's your background? Have you done any sort of online before finding this business model?
Oh, I can say that me, I am not a social media person, and this is my very first time to do
Mm,
it. And Sanjeev is my coach, my mentor, and I can say that I'm still new because I'm still
yep,
learning, but from where I was before I started and
yep,
now, there
yep.
is a huge difference. I can just tell you to join this
Mm,
program and
yep.
yes, do it. Do it.
Yeah,
I'm
so
telling you that it is amazing and it
mm,
is true. It is true. How long now? I think it is. This is the second month since
yep,
I joined the
yep.
business. Yes, this is the second month, and I am seeing numbers now.
Yeah,
Some
no,
I don't understand, but they are
it's
there.
very
They are
it's
there.
very it's very exciting, right? So also share about why did you decided to do this particular online business?
Yeah, for me, it was like when you see some people's videos, I used to see people say that they are earning money online,
Mm-hmm.
doing like faceless faceless channels, and you
Yep,
can earn money that way.
yep,
And
yep.
I am a kind of person who doesn't want to show my face.
Mm,
And for me, it was like just a lie or a dream. And
mm,
I said, let me give it a try. Sometimes you can
yep,
have money and you just don't know how to do with what to do with the money and how to start a business.
yep,
Everybody needs money, and if you have an entrepreneur mind, it is just a mindset. I was
mm,
looking for something to do with the money that I had. Then
yep,
when I met you and I heard your story, then I said, let me why not to give it a try? Maybe it's maybe true, because
yep,
on social media there are too many people who are telling their life.
yep.
At a certain point, you don't even know if they are telling the truth. It's like this is just too good to be true.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
then I said, let me give it a try. We never know. And
Yep.
that's why I joined this business, and here I
No,
am.
it's good. It's good to be, interviewing you today because you started with pretty much no knowledge of this business model, and
Oh,
now
at all,
like,
at
now,
all.
now you saying you're seeing numbers, so it's only gonna get better from there. So it's good. Before this, you joined some other program, and we actually in the same group.
Mhm.
We don't want to name anyone, but what was that process to what you're doing now? How is it different?
It it is. I can say it is about the joining the uh, choosing the niche. You know,
Yeah, yeah.
yes. I started with the
Different
luxury.
niche.
Yes, a different niche. Then I just decided to change because sometimes, um for my first channel to get the to get monetized, I think it is not a problem of the no, it was the way I was doing it. When you are new, you are
Yeah.
learning from your mistake, and it was getting time to for me to get for the channel to get monetized. you
Yep.
know it was because of that. Then I said, by the time this one is coming, let me give a try with your program, with
Yep.
the channel, because from you I bought a monetized channel, which
Yep.
is working very, very, very good. And by the time we are talking,
Mm.
it has been now a month that my channel, my the other channel, got monetized. I
Mm.
like have now two channels,
Yep.
and yes, that's what I can say. But before that, I didn't know nothing. I am
Yep.
just in the program, and yeah, I am learning from. I am I am making I am making this as you say in I say on scratch. Excuse my English.
Yeah.
On
This.
scratch. I didn't know nothing how it works, how
Yep.
you can make people watch your videos, how they can come to your channels, what which content, which
Yep.
I told you that I am even doing thumbnails. These
Wow.
are
Yeah.
these are things I just learn, and
Mm.
yeah, if I can do it, everybody can do it.
Yeah. Of course. And how do you think? What do you think about the benefit of working with me, like one-to-one mentoring? Do you think anyone can do this business? I know you said you were a complete beginner, but do you think someone can do this business model just by watching YouTube video, or is better to work with someone like one-on-one?
I can say both. I can
Yep.
say both, but from when you say from watching videos, I can say that your program is very, very good because you are I can say you are there, and your mentorship. I can say that it is very you are I don't have the word. I want to say that you are present, you are answering all questions, and by watching videos, I don't understand what you mean, because
Mm.
you can see video on YouTube, there or
Yep.
on social media.
Yep.
Everybody talk about everything. You have the knowledge, but you have like to keep to follow there are certain rules. you know
Mm.
you may have the knowledge, but don't have the experience.
Yep.
There are some people who have channels and nobody are watching them, but
Yeah.
program, the mentoring, and everything with you is, I can say, it is fantastic. You have too many people, but
Mm.
I can't complain about
Yep.
my question being answering. You are
Yep.
there.
Yeah. Of
That's all
course.
I can say. Yes, you can watch videos, but yes, what are you watching? Do you understand it? Are you on the way, the good path? What are you watching? So
Mm.
that's what I can say.
You cannot compare that to like one-on-one mentorship who has actually gone the path, and who can actually answer a question straight away. Like I know you, like you reach out to me and I'm pretty, if I'm awake I'm answer you, so you can get the answer straight away. And looking by the way you're doing things, is pretty much working really, really great for you now, right? So,
Yes.
and do you think this model what we're doing now, do we need a script writer, do we need a voiceover, and do we need
No.
yep.
No, 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 no. Everything is, yes, everything is provided. Yes.
Yep.
From the video, you can learn. You can learn
Yep.
by yourself and do that. Here, we don't need a script writer. We don't need a what?
Voiceover.
A voiceover. No, no.
Mm.
In
Yep.
this program, we have video already made. Once you
Mm.
get a video, you can just publish it. This is the very good part, and I can say that it is just exceptional. It is
Yep.
exceptional. Yeah, we don't need all that. This is a headache, but in this program, you are providing all that. Yes.
Yeah, that's good then. So, and actually show you where I can get the video made very cheap, right? So
Yes.
it's
Yes.
yeah.
Yes. Very cheap. Yeah.
So
And
pretty much the thumbnail and the video you get made like very cheap. So
yeah.
without the hassle, because if you go the route of getting a voiceover and a scriptwriter and then a video editor, then the thumbnail designer, there's like four people working for you. So you can
Right.
imagine if you have a normal 9 to 5 job, after you come home, you're gonna be wasting maybe 3 or 4 hours, five
You'll
hours
be
on this.
you'll be working like I was working 14 hours a day, I'm telling you.
Yeah.
And those people, it is just a headache, I can say.
Mm.
Some once you get sometime two people, or you get, let's say you get four people, you
Yeah.
have the voiceover, the video editor, the script writer. Let's say only those three people, and then one just say, I can't make it no more.
Yeah.
Sometimes he finds a job somewhere, you have to replace him, and you have the business to run. The
Yep.
business have to run. Then you have again to go and look for another person, maybe train him. But here in this program, you are providing all that, which is very good for me and
Not
easy.
good. Not good because I think most people who have a normal 9 to 5 job, if they go the route of hiring all these people, even though they have like 4 or 5 people working for them, but they still have a job end of the day. It's very hard
Mhm,
to automate that. But if you're just working for maybe only one person, then
mhm.
it's really easy, and he does all everything for you.
Everything for you. You have the time to sleep. You
Yeah,
have the time to sleep. You just waiting, and which is amazing. It is you are not in this program. We are with your method. You are. I am not getting like one video. I have five video at once or four video at
yeah,
once,
yeah,
which
yep,
is
yep.
very very interesting. Yes, for the
Yeah.
business, and yeah.
Awesome, awesome. What will you tell someone who's watching this and who's not sure, like if this is going to be the right model for them? What will you tell those people?
Don't don't hesitate. If I can do it, you can do it. I'm
Yeah,
telling you, everything is there.
yeah,
If like me, I am able to watch video and do and just
yeah,
replicate what I'm seeing. But if it is difficult, you can ask the question. You can ask questions, and if I can do it, you can do it.
yeah,
Anybody, this look at me. Even my English is just not very good,
yeah,
but I am able to do this. I tried it, and from where I was, and now I'm telling you that just do it. Do it. Don't hesitate. Don't hesitate no more. Jump on it. Just give it a try, and you won't regret. I am not regretting. I've started. I've tried too many things, but
mm,
this one right here, it's just it is magical.
yeah,
Don't hesitate. I'm telling you, the age doesn't matter.
mm.
If you feel like you can do it, just go ahead, give it a try, and yeah, you will not regret. That's
Awesome. Yeah. So I'd say once you start seeing the numbers, it will motivate you.
Oh. And let me tell you something. I think one day I was like, why this video that I posted doesn't get views? And I was
Yeah.
about to text you. Then I'm like, let me just check again. When
Mm.
I checked, I'm telling you that it went viral. I was
Oh,
like, oh,
you're dancing, eh?
this, and then it's giving me the courage to move forward, to do it,
Yep.
to stay in
Nah.
the program, and yeah, I'm telling you, if I can do it, you can do it. Don't get discouraged.
Yep.
Any age, any time, if you feel like you can do it, just go ahead and give it a try.
Yep. No problem. Thank you, Sasha, for sharing your story, sharing your journey, and I believe you off to work now. So Sasha gets up early just to check up on her business for half an hour.
I,
Gets more gets motivated to go to work. So
yes, yes. I'm still working, but maybe very soon I will quit. Maybe.
yeah, of course. Yes, very soon.
Okay. Okay.
Thank
Thank
you,
you.
Sasha. Thanks
Thank
for
you,
the
Sanjeev.
story. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. Bye.